Good morning everyone and welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin. As always, nothing changed so much today, but we're still going to update everything. It's always good to refresh the levels, the targets. So hope you're ready for that one. And I'm gonna check first of all that the sound is working well as always. Yes, it's working well. Let's go right there on the daily time frame first of all. We don't have any new daily, so we can go on the 15 minutes by the way. Gotta be better like this. Good price action yesterday. I don't know if you pay attention to this. So you see I'm not looking, for the two levels just below. Gonna wait. Good morning, mate, by the way. I'm gonna wait for lower levels, daily, TPO, and weekly negative half trend. So yeah, we've got to touch into this. Just read the order flow. How if you don't know how to read this, just go and check out our website. You have the link right below in the description. You have this workspace right here for absolutely free with the order flow right here. You can really see everything. What's happening really behind the market. But yeah, for now we're going to focus on this section here because we have to update the levels. So first of all, do we have any new naked session path control? I'm not going to add the one on the top here. I don't really care. We can remove that by the way. And we are good. Yips. We are good like this. Just gonna reduce that a bit. Perfect. Yeah, not gonna add the one above. It's too close. TPO is missed. That one is way too close too, but anyway, 37,190. So, TPO. We have some news by the way tonight. FOMC at 8 PM UTC +1 as always. So I said 37,190. Bam. Oops. Okay. Perfect. Then we have one daily negative path control here. 37,188. So it's the same really. So I'm not going to add it. Just like if I add it, just a bit below. So I'm not going to add too much stuff here. So 37,188. You can see. So I am not going to add this. Perfect. Well, we are good. We updated the chart. I'm gonna check really quick the levels. Gonna read the order flow really quickly here, and we are good. Next, where is trading view here? Volume, key levels. Here you go. That's okay, to be fair, to look for long in here for day traders. For swing traders, absolutely no. You wait for much lower prices to come. But for day traders, this is okay, to be honest. There is all of this target here. So to speak, for today there is this for a long, okay, right, so to speak. Gonna place the trade so it's maybe easier like this long trade right here. First of all, you have to look for, again, I'm not saying you have to put limits here or you have to market order. You have to take the long trade here. It's pretty sure we're gonna get a trade. No, what you have to do here is to simply read this. Okay, this allows you to see what's happening behind the market. Again, don't chase the trade, let the trade come to you. It's like don't chase the money, let the money come to you. Okay, if there is, just wait for the price to come here and here. Don't just open a trade because you want to open a trade. Just take the trade if there is the data you want to see on the order flow. If there is nothing in here, don't take the trade, and normally it will not bounce from here. Okay, so this is the first trade possible. If we get nothing in there, bam, we look for the next one. Next one is TPO weekly negative path control, and the path control right here. Yeah, this is the second target really. Okay, so first target here, bam, second target here, third target. It's a bit of a big zone here. We have the path control, daily level, sorry, plus the value low and the swing failure pattern here. If there is nothing in here, so it's a quite big zone, not gonna lie. There is nothing in here, bam, look for the next one again. So swing failure pattern that low, right here. Let me just remove the draws. Swing failure pattern right here into the naked session path control, into the value high and the daily naked path control. If there is no swing failure pattern or fair look of the low, swing failure pattern again is when you, for example, do this, okay? Have a high, you take the previous high, you leave it with a wick. A failed auction is when you do, let's take this for example, you have a high, you go above, you spend some time, sorry, you start forming something bearish on the order flow, and bam, you get a good short reaction, and you take the short and you write it down, you come back below, and so you have done a failed auction. You just do not take this with a wick, come back down, you spend some time, form something bearish, come back down later, okay? Swing through pound, failed auction, if nothing here, we look for the next target. What's the next target? Bam, right here. So we have the full range path control right here, plus the swing through pound again, by the way, of that low. And if there is nothing here, bam, we take all the lows right here, we take all the stop loss, maybe even the low right here, and we look for a possible long reaction there. Again, if you trade a swing through pound, don't forget to check at the 10-second chart on the order flow. This is very, very important. This is where you get most of the time the reactions, as this is really quick, okay? And if we start breaking this, well, it's very simple. We just have to look for the bottom right here of the pullback. We have the quick push up, pullback here. I saw your question made, by the way. I'm gonna answer you, by the way, maybe I can answer that. Why didn't you draw the NSPOC? Why you say it's too close? Wait, I can't see the message fully. Yeah, why do you say it's too close? Yeah, I'm not adding this simply because it's too close to the current price action. Most of the time the levels that are too close are not really respected. The only reason why I'm not taking this. It can absolutely, it can absolutely play out. Okay, but it's like, for example, yesterday, you know, you've got some level close by here, so you got it was daily negative path control, if I'm mistaken. Can't remember. Normally it was a daily negative path control. I can't remember which one it was, but I think it was a naked session path control. Yeah, normally it was a daily naked path control. Daily, yeah, it was a daily naked path control plus a naked session path control. Look at that naked session path control, is like too close to your current price action. You've got no real big confidence with this. You've got nothing really crazy. So I don't like to trade the stuff that are too close to your current price action, to be honest. That's the only reason why. But if you want to, you can absolutely add it. It's really up to you. Okay, if you want to add that one, you can absolutely add that one. It's just my preference, you know, my own preference. I just don't like to add the levels that are too close. But this can absolutely play down, you know. You have 37,490. If you pull this, the volume here. Let's take this. Let's pull this 37,490. You get this. You have the path control in addition to this. I'm not sure you have maybe the 38.2 here. Yeah, 30.50%. So you can look for a short in there, okay? You can absolutely look for a short in there, but for me it's too close to the current price action. Again, just check other reaction in there, just see what's happening, but for me it's too close and I don't really care, you know. I'm not chasing the trade. I'm gonna wait for the market to move, and when it moves, I'm gonna trade this. When it's too close, I just personally don't like. That's it. That's the only reason why I'm not doing this. But anyway, so yeah, if we get acceptance here below these two lows, okay, we're going to come into that bottom here of the pullback. So we have an MC strategy here. Again, you can place limit on this or no, you follow as you want. If there is nothing here, look for a swing through pan or a failed auction. If there is no swing through pan or failed auction, we're going to go on the higher time frame level chart. If there is nothing here, it's very simple. We're going to look for 30,600, 6,700 minimum, and again, these four first levels here, so to speak, this value low level down to the weekly here. These are some old resistance that can be flipped into support if we come back down here. That's why I'm keeping them. But beware that the strongest level untapped start coming around, so this value high and this weekly negative path control. So the first support really come around 30,600, but the real big support are really coming around 28,900 down to the swing through path. This small consolidation here with a weekly negative path control in between. Not gonna go too low, it's not really useful. Above us we have of course swing through pan of the range highs. If we get no swing through pan or failed auction, we can look for this key level that is simply the path control of this consolidation with the triple top right here swing through pan. If there is no swing through pan or as always failed auction, we're simply going to look for a 5, 6, 7, 5% by the way increase in price to go for this swing through pan right here into the weekly negative path control. Again, if there is nothing good here, we look for the monthly and path control. How can we recognize again once more if there is something to take? It's based off the reaction on the order flow. We read this, we know what we have to do. That's simple as that really. And yeah, if we start breaking here the path control, so to speak, from 45,500 to 47 to 300. If we start breaking this, look for the top right here, swing for the pound fair auction into the monthly negative path control, so starting from 48,200 up to 48,700. 1,000. And if we get nothing here, we're going to look for the weekly above, but I'm not going to go to the all-time high because we need to get a rise and to get to see the continuation higher to really go higher and plan for higher prices. 48k is good enough, so in my opinion. But anyway, so that is a plan really with the waves, nothing changed at all. We can still look for the ABC flat into the wave 4, or the wave 4 to be in, okay? So ABC flat, in that case we take the high and we get a bearish reaction directly, okay? We just read the order flow for a possible swing for the pound fair auction into the 105, 113, 123, 127. If there is nothing in here, bam, 1618 of the wave 5. And so in that case we look for the wave 4 to be done directly, and we look for the wave 5. In that case we look for a possible bigger wave 1, 2, bam, if we really push high, like really crazy, oops, like do some massive push up, bam, wave 3, 4, 5, and we finish this wave 5 with 5 within there. And if we start to see that we go up but very slowly, we take some time to go higher. In that case it's because we are in an ending, so to speak, 5 waves, but a wedge to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then bam, big wave 4, maybe not that big by the way, big wave 4, maybe to try some stop loss and from here get another rise possibly. Okay, these are the different configurations, wave 5 or bigger and longer wave 4. Trade the targets based off the direction. This is the only thing you have to do really. What direction? Again, this. And so right now, by the way, let me just load the 15 and 30 minutes. What do we have? Big bullish divergence here leading to the push up. Divergence here means absorption, so it means that you have market orders coming in on the market. So here shorts, I guess you got some on the lower time frame. I mean on a lower time frame, yeah, maybe like this. Or the off trade closing can bring us with this too. Yeah, off trade closing here, some few liquidations. Do I have some rect here? Nothing huge. This was people taking profit more likely. Yeah, so you get absorption here on the lows. Then you get absorption highs, high, 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 low, high. So absorption highs. You can see also if the limits are filled live in the time thanks to the P profile here on the left. You have this increasing. If this is increasing, it means that the limits you can see in here, in the pool and stack, I mean bid and ask really, are getting filled. If this is not increasing here in the P profile, it's because the limits are not getting filled. It's simple as that really. Here you've got next nothing. By the way, yeah, no, nothing here. Let me just go back on the 30 minutes. Nothing and nothing right now. So there is nothing at the moment except a small possible bearish divergence here from this high to the current high. So it can be a bit more bearish than bullish if these longs opening right now are getting absorbed, okay? And if we get a bearish reaction of this, so the short trade I'll show you earlier is a possible short idea. You know, so it was from this path control, oops, misclicked that, from this path control here with the 38.2 to 50%, like that, perfect, with, you know, the naked session path control we have around, so for it was 37 for 90, so around just a bit above here. So path control 38.2 and 50% here. All of this zone, the show I place it earlier really can be something. Oops, that's a long trade, not a short trade. Right here, so this can give something, but again you need to get a good reaction to bring it back down into this target minimum. That can give something. Just read the reaction there. Maybe I'm gonna look for something because of this bearish divergence here we have, and we'd have yeah, we have some few longs there by the way. 6 million, 30 million, 1 million, 1 million, 2 million, 2 million. Yeah, we'll have some few longs compared to the shorts here. Yeah, that can be a good short, to be honest. I don't like normally, generally speaking, to take a trade really when it's too close like this, as I said, but we'll have some few good stuff there. I like it. And if we start breaking this, of course, with nothing good for, I mean, if we break this, it's because there is nothing good for a short really in there, right? So if we start breaking this, then the next target really is the Valera high swing for a pan. If there is nothing here, look for a new high to be made. That's it. So here, last chance for a short is here, and otherwise we're going to look for a new high to be made. So again, swing for a pan, failed auction, daily level just above, and range high swing for a pan. Okay, but watch out for this possible trade. Gonna set another here. I prefer the path control minimum POCO. I'm gonna take short 1, so I know exactly where it is. Short 1 up to the 40. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna add the naked session path control, so I can really get everything. Naked session path control 37. Oops, for 90. Let me just double check this. So I'm sure it's the good price. Normally, yes, it is, but 37 for 90. Yes. Gonna check this next. Well, yeah. So we have to pick. Bam, 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 bam. This, and the next target is this, really. That's a poor high, that's a poor high. These are some poor highs. That will be cool to take the highs, to be fair. The overall high is a poor high, this is a poor high, this is a poor high, yes. Can see, yes, this is a good low, this was a good low, these are some poor highs, so we have more chance to take the highs, to be honest. The highs really sucks. Yeah, so take the high will be cool. Now maybe, you know, we're gonna get a possible short trade in there, I don't know, we'll see what direction in there. And if nothing here, bam, look for this swing for a pound 786 Valera high. And nothing there, bam, look for a new high to be made. Simple as that, really. So this will be my short number 2. But again, I'm not putting so much on this short for the moment. Oops. Short 2 and good. And then let's pull something here. It's a bit too close. Oops. Don't like it so much, but anyway. One. Well, we're good, really. Nothing more to add, to be fair. Do you have any question on Bitcoin right now? If you have any questions, let me know. What do you mean a poor high? A poor high is when you don't have any selling tails and buying tails. So personally, I'm using tick 50 here, and so to speak, it's when you have when this is a good low or a good high, you have 3 laters like this only minimum. So 3 laters, but like in one column, if you can say that. You have 3 like this minimum. This is a good low because you have more than 3 or more. For example, here this was a bad low because you have only 2 laters like this. This you have 3, so this was a good low, so you do not need to take it. And this was a good low, you have 3. This was a good low, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8, so it's a good low. This is a poor high because you have only 2. This is a very good low. You have only 1 like this for a long moment. This is a poor high because you have only 2. You need 3 minimum. Okay. These are some poor highs because you have only 1. This is a poor high because we have only 1. This is a good low. Yesterday we've done because we have only 1, but like I hope you see what I mean. You have 1, but you have like in the same column you have like 1. You have to get 3 minimum. Here you have only 1. Okay, here you have more than 3 or more, really. Here you have only 1, so it's bad. Here 1, so it's bad. Here you have 1, so it's bad. Here you have 2 like this, so it's bad in any case. Here you have 3. You have the 3, so it's good. Here you have the 3, so it's good. Here you have the 4 and 3 or more, so it's 4 is good. So you have the 3 or more, so it's good. Here also good high or low, it's when you have 3 minimum. and poor eyes when you don't have the 3 minimum. That's it really. Hope that makes sense. This is a very, I mean, you don't have this in the workspace, but it's very simple. You just have to create a new, so you go in plus chart, you click, you know, select Bitcoin, you add the TPOs, you add the color you want, pull the tick 50, go into the settings, TPO, go into, for example, the fingerprints right there, add a fingerprint. I personally prefer to show everything, not just, for example, this, like there's a bottom of this, so I prefer to get everything, so really see all the fingerprints. You can add the buying tail and selling tail if you want to. You can pull this here, for example, but you can just read this by yourself, right? It's the same settings, 3, okay? So it's called a range, by the way. If you have 3, it will show the buying or selling tail. If you pull, for example, 2, then but I don't like with 2. It's not really relevant in my opinion. I prefer with 3, so I'm gonna stay with 3. But I mean, I don't need to pull the indicator really to show and to see that there is a buying tail or selling tail. I don't care, I just can read it. I mean, I can just read it by myself really. So yeah, you can add it if you want to. You can pull some other stuff, play with the colors if you want to, and yeah, that's it. Let me check something really quickly. Do we have any 80-20 setup daily open? Well, there is a bit of a problem right now because there is no value area high. Or maybe it's here. Yes, it is. Okay, I was like, that's really weird. So daily open, no, there is nothing. So yeah, we're good for today. So hope you enjoyed. I'm not know any other questions. So I'm not doing a lot of outs update these days simply because there is nothing really to update, to be honest with you. Everything is following just perfectly, so I'm not going to update anything if this is not needed, just to make some content, to repeat myself. You know, it's good also to take a bit of a break on this, so I can rest after all the hard work I have done every TAs really. So yeah, nothing crazy to update here, to be honest. S-Fun is doing a crazy drop here. It's absolutely insane with Bosch, you know, with VIPs, with the pressure with Bosch around there. In person, I have Bosch here. The Terry was all of this. And yeah, we've got, wow, jeez, we have a 250% increase in price. This is absolutely crazy. Casper is just doing a crazy stuff here. So, but have to update this pretty quick, by the way. Ethereum is really weird too, by the way. It looks like we have done a wave 5 truncated, so bit of crazy wave 5, but anyway, gonna take it. Or possible ending, bigger one here, but I mean the wave 5 is way too long, so I don't like it. But anyway, so yeah, I don't see any questions right now. No, so yeah, thank you very much. My pleasure, mate. Hope you're enjoying these updates. I'm not, you know, spending too much time and explaining everything these days, but I mean, yeah, we're not doing some crazy move, to be fair, so it's not really how can I say that? It's not really, let me just check this. Interesting. Oh my god, I'm stupid. It's, oh my god, how can I forget that? It's not very interesting. Anyway, so yeah, wish you all a brilliant day. Catch you over the Discord or on in any other video really on the YouTube channel if I make some. I don't know if I'm going to make some. I have my Elliott, gonna see if I take the trade or not. Gonna let you know, gonna try to let you know again. And this is not a signal group, so don't wait for me to let you know if I'm taking or not the trade. Make your decisions by your own. If I'm telling you that I'm taking the trade, there is a simple reason for this. It's simply because, bam, you have to read the order flow on your side and understand why I am taking this. Okay, just so you can understand why I'm taking this, because of some data you have on the market really. By the way, I'm gonna reduce this really quickly here, 8888, and we're good. So yeah, anyway, I wish you a brilliant day, take care, and catch you in the next one. Cheers.